do so good. So, let's see. I'm watching you, sheep. Gage, knock it off. Jeez, Bentley, go. Freaking dogs. You guys think I'm crazy and you don't hear them? I'm not crazy and I do have dogs. Grow, you stupid sheep. I once watched the sheep grow, but it took like 20 minutes or something. Look at this. Sheep. Grow. Stop eating grass. How much do you need? Kill the chicken. Come on. Grow. 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 No. I'm not waiting. I'm just waiting until you grow. Come on. Grow. 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 Give me a wall. Oh, there we go. Thank you. Oh my god, there's a sheep over there. Fuck. There's sheep over here. Oh. God. Lag. Laggy. Why'd I eat that? Oh, it's sort of like a wall. I think will be the end of part 1 of my Let's Play series. And I'll see you dudes later.